Power BI, which turns data into decisions by .NET Updates and Srinivas Mateti. Hey, welcome back and thanks for joining. This is my second video in Power BI learning series. Over the coming videos, we will explore more features in Power BI reporting tool. In the previous session, we introduced the Power BI and the Power BI dashboard tool and how to load an Excel data source and how to customize the data source. We added some columns and we added some formulas to load the data for the new columns. Also, we created the first Power BI report. So what's coming in this video? In this video, we are going to see more Power BI features like new charts. So in the donut chart, which is more helpful in understanding the overall data, health of the business. And also there is a chart visual will give more insights of your business, how it is performing on different patterns. Let's go. So I can use this donut to understand data in different perspective. So populate this donut visual with data. The value section, add profit type. So count of profit types. And in the details, add profit type. So you can see, so the negative 8.29% is the negative and 58 is the count and 91% is positive and 637 is the number. So let's understand how this donut chart get generated and go to the data. So here you can filter the data, select negative, click on. So this, if you see 58 rows filtered, that means we have 58 rows with negative value. And let's see the positive, we have 637 rows out of 700. Do we have any values for null? Let's see. We have null values of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the same has been represented in the donut chart. Let's go to the chart. I like donuts. See, the null is this one and the positive and negative. So by looking at this donut visual, you can understand easily how many, like how much positive sales we had and how much negative sales and where we don't have any sales. So the next option is the chart, the clustered column chart. So there are various charts like stacked bar chart, stacked column chart, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart. So these are all the different variations in the chart. Well, so based on your requirement, you can choose the appropriate one. I'm going to add a new page to accommodate the chart bar. A page and name it as sales chart. So here I'm going to include the stacked column chart. Double click on it. So here I want to see the sales trends on each day, on Monday, Tuesday, till Sunday. On each day, how much sales I made. I want to see that kind of chart. In order to see that kind of report, I have to add one more column to my data source. Go to your data source and add a new column. Just click on new column and name it as day. And we have date column, month number, month name, and year. We don't have a column for day, but we have day information, date field. So from this date, I have to retrieve the day and I'll put it here. So for that, there is a format. This function will format a particular column and it will retrieve the information. So I'm going to use my .NET date. So what you have to retrieve? I have to retrieve the day. So comma D. So this will close it, will give you the day. See, man, sun, run, fry, man. So you can double check. This is Monday. The first one is Monday. It's Monday, Sunday, Sunday, Friday, Friday. Here Saturday, Sunday, Saturday, Saturday. But I want to display like complete day, like Monday, Sunday. For that, go back to your formula, select, add one more D. That will give the complete day name, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So now our data source is ready. Go back to your report view. I already added a clustered stacked column chart. So now I have to configure the data. So here we have x-axis. So in the x-axis, I want to display the days. Just drag and drop day here. And in the y-axis, I want to see the profits. So here, the sum of profits in the y-axis, you can see. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So these are the profits. The Tuesday is the highest profits we have. Monday, Sunday, Wednesday, Saturday, Friday. So the chart, it configured in such a way that the highest sales it's showing on the first, the lowest is on the last. We have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So, and in the y-axis, you can say the sum of the profits. And now I'm going to use the same chart, the same stacked column chart, but with different data configuration, and the numbers will be reflected in a different way. Let's see that. Okay, so just drag it just here. So here in the x-axis, I took the day, and in y-axis, I took the profit, the sum of the profits. And now I'm going to see x-axis, the same day, and y-axis, I'm going to add the profit percentages. Earlier in this visual, I added profit, sum of profits, and here I'm going to add profit percentages. So the profit percentages, they are different. On Monday, we made more profit percentages. Here, the sum of the profit on Tuesday is high, and Sunday is the second highest. Saturday, it is third highest. Tuesday, it's so the profit percentages. When I took the profit percentages in y-axis, the chart displayed in a different perspective. So there is one more variation So in previous slide, we have seen stacked column chart, so which is nothing but this, and this is stacked bar chart. So both stacked column chart and stacked bar chart, both are replicas in different dimensions. So this will show the columns as a chart, and this will show the slide as a bar chart. So let's see the difference. So I added a stacked bar chart and going to, let's see, add a y-axis, profit the x-axis. See the same Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, Wednesday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday. So the same chart, you rotate in a right direction, this will be applicable. So in some of the cases, we want to see the same data or report, but in a different directions based on our requirement. So these two are replicas. This is a bar chart and this is the column chart. However, it doesn't make any sense just displaying the data in a different direction. So let's configure this data for different parameters so that you can see the difference in a direction. So I'll remove the day here. I'll put product. So you can see the bronze sales are high and the wood sales are next high. Cement sales are third highest and go on. This is the sum of the sales. You see other chart. So I'm going to add a product here and profit percentage here. And you can see the profit percentage is highest on the gold, bronze, and it's going on. I want to see for the perspective. Here, keeping product as a x-axis and domain as a y-axis. So, but this doesn't make any sense. So instead of product, I'll keep country. Count of domains, but I can the product doesn't make any profit. Yeah. So in France and Germany, France is having highest profits. Germany is second highest. Canada, US, and Mexico. Similar way. So how can we decide which data parameter is or which configuration is making sense? So when you create a report, it should communicate some information. And if it's not communicating any information, then creating the report is not useful. So here I will take country in a x-axis and profit percentage. So Germany has a highest profit percentage. Mexico has second highest profit percentage. Some of the profits here in Mexico is the last, but here in the profit percentage, it is second highest. So these are the different kinds of reports we can generate. So when you have multiple visuals in the same page, it's better to apply a different color schema so that you can distinguish. Assign random. Here you can select different colors, apply for your visuals. So you can apply styles for the entire visual, or you can apply styles for a particular component in a specific visual. So in the first visual, I want to display these in a different color. So select the visual, go to the format your visual tab and go to the x-axis, and you can change yellow. So you can see they changed it to yellow. So based on your color schema, you can change them. And the y-axis is auto. You can change the um, font color, the values color. This is changing the y-axis font. Want to get some contrast. So similarly, layout, 20 pixel, the title, what color you want to display the title. Day, the day getting changed. Also the y-axis title you can change to. These are the different variations you can do for your visual within the. So how can I change the color for these like columns? See, these columns are displaying blue. So under y-axis, when you select the visual, there is a tab called column, and the color is blue. You can change it to whatever color you want, so that okay, we will stop the session here. Thank you so much for watching, and keep eye on my next videos. We are going to see more Power BI features. Please watch these videos and let me know your feedback. Anything need to improve or any topics if you want to learn, and text me or comment me so that I can improve the quality of the videos and I can add sessions. Thank you. We'll see you in next session.